Locked out of your iPhone and can't remember the passcode? Don't worry, it happens more often than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through all the proven ways to unlock your iPhone passcode, including official Apple methods and a simpler alternative if those don't work. Method 1. Unlock iPhone via Find iTunes official way. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Put your device into recovery mode. Restore your iPhone to remove the passcode. Note, this will erase all data on your device. Method 2. Use iCloud Find My iPhone. Go to iCloud official website and sign in with your Apple ID. Select your locked iPhone. Click Erase iPhone to remove the passcode. Requirement: Find My must be enabled beforehand. Method 3. Forgot passcode option for iOS 15.2 and later. Press Forgot Password. Press Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password. Reset your device directly. Works only if your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. What if these methods don't work? If you can't access your Apple ID, or the process feels too complicated, there's an easier solution. Tools like MagFone iPhone Unlocker can help you remove the iPhone passcode without needing technical skills. It supports various lock types including Screen Passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, and even Apple ID removal. Install and launch the program on your computer. Connect your iPhone. Choose Unlock iOS screen. Download firmware and start unlocking. While Apple's official methods are reliable, they aren't always convenient for everyone. If you're looking for a faster and more straightforward solution, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is definitely worth trying.